If you want to search songs on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, what you can do is you can use circle to search, which we can activate by pressing and holding your finger on the home button over here, just like that, or you can press and hold your finger on the navigation bar in case you use gestures for navigation instead. On this little bar that we have available after activating circle to search, you should be able to find this music note, which we can use to let Google listen to our background for a short while. By doing so, we can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get the song title. Of course, when you listen to a song, when you hear a song somewhere while being somewhere outside, or at a party or something, if you want to know the title of that song, you can just activate it, and then you can try to get a Google search result with the song title. You can also add song search option to the control center or quick settings over here. So at the bottom, we're gonna tap on edit, then we're gonna scroll down, and we are looking for the song search option. So we can add it to the list, just like that. And then instead of using circle to search, you can just simply tap on this button over here, and you should be able to get the this feature running, and you might be able to get the song title. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.